Halal soup dumplings. My daughter Zuleika's first time trying them. Let's do a comparison. Steam versus microwave. 2 minutes 30 microwave, and don't open the bag, yeah?
Dad, I can't read.
Okay. Well, the educated one there is microwaving it. Here's my steam. Put that on. Let's put some dumplings inside. Put them all in here. Cover it up. Let it steam. These are almost done. You can actually see the soup. Let's see how these look. Nice. Okay, let's go. So, they're a lot juicier than the gyozas. Okay, now steam ones. If that's a 9, that's a 10. These ones dry a little bit, with these steam. Halal soup dumplings.